Hi everyone. So we've done a couple of things in our previous chapters. We've done addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and we also learned how to find the order of operations if there are more than one operations with decimals. So today we'll try to apply some of the concepts in the decimals we've learned to solve a word problem. Okay. So let's see. Mrs. K, okay, bought 4 bags of 2.83 kgs of flour. Okay. She used 3.07 kg of it to make bread. Okay. Now, then she put the rest of the flour equally into 5 jars. Okay. How much flour is in each jar? Okay. So this is the problem. Okay. So now it might look, oh my God, this is so much. How do we solve it? Might seem a lot, when you try to do it. But if we see one by one, it will be pretty simple. Okay. So let's see what is the information that is given to us. So Mrs. K bought 4 bags of 2.83 kg flour. Okay. So if we have to find like what is the total amount of flour she has. Okay. So how can we do it? So she has 2.83 kgs of flour, and how many bags she has? 4. Okay. So this will be the total flour that she has. So out of this, she used 3.07 kg of it to make bread. Okay. So this was what she had. So from this, she used 3.07. Okay. And now she put the rest of the flour. So this is the rest of the flour that we have. Okay. This quantity, okay, she divides it equally into 5 jars. Okay. So this was our whole flour, 2.83 into 4. Then out of this, she used 3.07. So this is what is left with her. Okay. So this she then divides into 5 equal jars. So we have to find how much is in each jar. Okay. Now we do try to apply here the order of operations. Okay. So what do we have first? We have parentheses. Okay. We have parentheses, and inside also there are parentheses. Okay. So why did we put parentheses? Because to represent this is the whole value and we subtract something from this whole value. Then what is left is one value and we divide that into 5 jars. Okay. So now we solve the inner parenthesis. What are we using? PEDMAS. Okay. PEDMAS. Okay. So parentheses, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So first we solve parentheses. So for parentheses, we get 2.83 into 4. So how much is 2.83 into 4? We'll get 11.32. Okay, and whatever is not used, so we only used this parenthesis, so whatever is not used we write it as is. Okay, so we do minus 3.07. Okay, and these outside parentheses are still there, and we divide it by 5. Okay, now again we have the parenthesis, so we solve the parenthesis first. We do 11.32 minus 3.07. What do we get? 8.25. Okay, so this is what we used, so we write divided by 5 as is. So now if we divide 8.25 by 5, we get 1.65. So in each jar, she's put 1.65 kgs of flour. Okay. So this might seem daunting at first, but we have to see step by step. Okay. So how much flour first she had, and out of that she used some, and after using whatever was remaining, so if she used something, we will have to decrease that value from the total value, right? So after using whatever is remaining, that is divided into 5 jars. Okay, so that's how we get 1.65 kgs. So I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.